Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do part 3 of my Maniology holiday nail art series. I'm going to take the last 2 plates that Maniology sent me, do some Christmas nails and some New Year's nails. So if this interests you, just keep on watching. Okay, so the products we're going to use in the first design are these 3 stamping polishes. I'm going to do them on my nails. I have done my nails in hard gel, and we're going to use the Snow Day plate. We're going to use Frozen, Bam White, and Gold Rush. So I wanted snowflake nails for my Christmas nails this year, and this plate is amazing. I love the different sizes of snowflakes, the different designs of snowflakes that are on this plate, and how effortless it was to pick up each design using different polishes from Maniology and getting a look that I was hoping for. I really wanted to, I guess, what would you say, bling out my nails in snowflakes. So I'm just gonna let you watch this process of what I decided to do on my nails, and I will pop back on when I think there's something important to share with you. Oh, I should mention that I am wearing Royal Cherry number 44 from Magic Gel and Magical Story number 237, that's the glitter, also from Magic Gel. And I have a top coat already on my nails because I prefer to stamp on top of a top coat, and then I will be going in with Magic Gel's Tackless Hypershine once all my stamping is done. And here I'm putting a little bit of Bam White on the plate, and I'm creating some, I guess, snowflake dots on the nails, letting that dry before I top coat it with my Tackless Hypershine. I found it was just easier for me to do dots than it was to stamp the dots on. Okay, so I didn't like the way that snowflake ended up, so I am redoing it. And that's the beauty of stamping on top of a cured top coat, is that you can just wipe it off with acetone and you don't wreck your nails. If you are stamping on top of nail polish, you can just use Scotch tape or any kind of tape just to take a mistake off. And to fill in the negative space on my thumb, I took Frozen and I just dotted some snowflakes on the nail. So these polishes dry fairly fast, but not too fast. And I think I've mentioned it before, I wait about 30 seconds before I will put a top coat on. In this case, I did all of my nails and then went back and put the top coat on. I've said this in numerous videos that I absolutely love the Magic Gel Tackless Hypershine because I can put this top coat over top of a top coat or a matte top coat, and it won't pit, it won't pull back, and it covers the image really nicely. I still want to get Maniology's, I think it's the smudge-free top coat. It is just a regular nail polish top coat, but I've seen videos done where the artist will use the smudge-free top coat, and it looks pretty amazing. So that is something I want to try. Okay, and now I'm going to do my right hand with my non-dominant hand, just to show you how easy it is to stamp with your non-dominant hand. Okay, now that all the stamping is done on my right hand, I am taking the same top coat, the Tackless Hypershine from Magic Gel, and I'm curing for 1 minute. And because all those snowflakes just weren't enough, I thought I would add a Swarovski crystal to one snowflake on my ring finger. And I'm using the AB crystal. I'm also using the Fusion Gem Gel, I think it is called. The Fusion's Gem Gel has the top coat built in it, so you don't need to wrap the crystals with a top coat, but I do anyway just for that extra security. But if you've already top coated your designs and then you're going to add some gems, I would use the Fusion product for your gems, and then that way you don't have to go in with your top coat. And here are my Christmas nails. Lots of snowflakes, a little bit of bling, my favorite color, and some glitter. What else can you ask for? Okay, let's move on to the last design we're going to do, Sparkling Celebration. And I put Dusk and Straight Up Black on these nail tips. I didn't top coat the nail tips yet. I'm gonna go in with Gold Rush and put some designs on top of stamping polish. So let's see what I come up with. I have to say that from the first stamping image I used on this plate, I was super impressed. I don't have anything like this in my collection, a New Year's plate, and I was so excited to use the combination of Gold Rush with this plate to put it on the nails. It was effortless. The images came out super crisp and clean, and I think when something is easy and looks beautiful, that makes me super happy. So here I am using Frozen on this image, and I love how the white is a shimmery white. It's a pearl white. Sometimes it might even look a little bit silver depending on what color you're stamping on top of. I am so impressed with these, I was going to call them gel polishes, with these stamping polishes. Just wow, they are top notch in my opinion. And there you have a set of New Year's nails. I love how these turned out. I cannot wait to use these on my clients, and if none of my clients use this stamping plate, I'm gonna use it. So don't forget, you guys, I do have a discount code for you, Auralite 10 on Maniology.com. Use that to get 10% off your purchases. And tell me what you think of these designs. I had so much fun creating these designs, and what made this even better is that it was so easy to do. I didn't find that I struggled with any of the images. I didn't find I struggled with the stamping polishes if I waited too long. I am so impressed with this brand. If you have any questions, please put them in the comment section down below. I'll do my best to answer them in a timely manner. We all know that it's the Christmas season, so it is a little bit busier, but I will do my best to get back to you. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media. And thank you for watching my Maniology Holiday Nail Art series. Stay tuned for some bloopers, and we will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys. I am going to do part 3 of my Maniology Holiday Nail Art series. And yes, that is my cat behind me. Hey, stop that. Seriously? Hi.